here. It's my birthday today, guys, and we have an unboxing all the way from Canada, Villain Sauce Company, guys. And guys, I cannot begin to express how delicious their hot sauces are. Like, I have tasted so many of their hot sauces. Guys, go check out those videos. I also have reviews up on Instagram, so be following me on Instagram. I cannot wait, guys. So vamos a abrirla a ver qué agarré for my birthday, which is a really, really special unboxing. And I really, really like all their stuff. So, you know, like, beyond blessed to have received this también. Like, oh my goodness, thank you so much, bro. I cannot wait to open it. So vamos a abrirla. Where do I go? I think it has more tape up there than down here. So vamos a abrirla por abajo. And let's get into this package, ¿verdad? How's your guys' day going? Any plans, guys? I'm hoping to go somewhere for my birthday, but I still have no plans. So who knows what surprises my birthday will bring. Oh, bro. Oh my goodness. This is so okay, we got a magnet. So this is gonna go up on my fridge. Witch Doctor Tropical Hot Sauce. That sounds delicious. He's always creating new products, and like I said, beyond delicious products, guys. Pero mira, agarré una camisa and 2 hot sauces. Oh, look at that. Be repping. Oh yeah. I'll be wearing this on my story later on Instagram. Oh, that is so cool, so cool, so cool. Ya me la quiero poner. Okay, now we got 2 hot sauces, guys. Oh, yes. Okay, so this was exactly like the magnet. Look at that. Look at this vibrant color. Looks like it's gonna be like a pineapple one. Oh, that is exciting. Oh, look at the heat scale, guys. It's not super spicy, so perfect for everyone in your family to be trying. Oh, don't tell me this is gonna be extremely spicy. See, the thing about Canadian hot sauces, guys, like, they'll tell you, oh, it's not so spicy, and then it ends up being spicy. Like, their products tend to be spicier than my products. Like, whoa, like super spicy products over there. Ooh, the color. It almost looks like it's gonna be a smoky hot sauces. Let's see, it says sweet habanero hot sauce, and that's it. Oh, and it's not super spicy también. Hopefully, because I mean, it says habaneros. Like, habaneros are spicy, guys. So we'll see, because I'm telling you, his taste level, like his tolerance, is like way different than mine. Like, especially since he's been making all these hot sauces for like years. So his level's like up here. So probably what he thinks is not spicy, I might think is spicy. So vamos a ver cuál pruebo primero. Well, let's go with this one first. The color, I just freaking love this color. It is so pretty. Let me put this one down. And let me read you guys the ingredients on this. It says, ooh, it has peaches, pineapple, water, dried apricots, apple cider vinegar, white vinegar, habanero peppers, bell peppers, honey, brown sugar, shallots, carrots, ghost pepper, olive oil, fresh lemon juice. A nice citrusy taste, eh? Garlic, pink Himalayan salt, and spices. Give it a good shake, guys. Y vamos a abrirla. And I might need my knife. I should have nails, guys, but I do too much. Like, I've been asked, like, oh, why don't you wear fake nails? I've actually never wore fake nails. I'm not a fan of fake nails, but I do too much to the point where I can't have fake nails, guys. It's virtually impossible. Like, cocino every day. I garden every day. I need a knife, guys. I need my knife. I'm telling you guys, I do way too much. Imagínate también taking care of all the peppers with nails, trying to get the spice out of it. I don't know, guys. I think that would be virtually impossible. Okay. Ooh, exciting. Oh, I love that it does not have a restrictor cup. Oh my god, like that smell. Oh, the smell, like, I just want to chug it, guys. I should go get a shot glass and chug this. Oh, it smells so delicious. Consistency, oh my goodness, watch this consistency, guys. Look at this silky smooth consistency on this. Oh my goodness, se me está haciendo agua en la boca. Like literally. Ooh. Wow. What did you do with this one, bro? The creaminess in here. It is so creamy. You taste a little bit of the peaches, but it's combined with the pineapple, the apricots. It's like really subtle, like And then you taste the garlic, onion, the spices, and just the right amount of heat that you can finish this whole thing in like one sitting. Oh my goodness. God, I mean, did you guys see this? Look at this creaminess. As soon as you open it, guys, the smell, it just captivates you. Like, oh my goodness. Like, it smells so, so good. Oh my God. I don't know how you came up with this, bro, but I can tell that you spent so much time in perfecting this hot sauce. Beyond delicious. Oh my goodness. I'm munching on like little pieces of like peaches. Nombre. Perfect on anything. It's not like dramatically sweet that you're like, oh, it's only gonna be good for ice cream or something like that. No, this one I would put on tacos. Oh, you know what? Some fish tacos. Some beer battered fish tacos right about now. So freaking delicious. Oh my goodness, so good. Definitely taking these anywhere I am going today so that I can post pictures for you guys on Instagram. No, you know what? I should stop before I finish it, because I have a thing about like finishing them, but I really try and do a post before I finish them. You know, sometimes I'm like, no. I end up posting it when it's like right here, because the hot sauces are good. And the other one, Mita's Touch, epically delicious. All right, guys, we have another hot sauce. Oh, this is the sweet habanero one. Sweet habanero. Okay, maybe it's just a little spice with some sweetness. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so this one que tiene has white vinegar, onions, apple cider vinegar, pineapple, bell pepper, chili pepper, garlic, habanero pepper. Sorry, my mouth, I still have the flavor of the other one. It's really, really good. Garlic, habanero pepper, water, ghost pepper, jalapeno, sun-dried tomato, sugar, brown sugar, sea salt, smoke flavor, lemon juice, olive oil, and spices. Sounds delicious. And like I said, his hot sauces, they have all been super, super good. So extremely excited about this one. The other one, man, I'm telling you, I still have that flavor, and I just want more, because it's that addicting flavor that you just want more and more and more and more. And I'm telling you, I could so definitely do a shot of that one. It is that good, guys. It is that good. Okay, vamos a abrirla. And this one almost smells like, you know what, let me taste it. But I just want to put in some ground turkey tacos already. Like, oh my goodness. Don't tell me it's going to be a creamy consistency también. Okay. It's like, hold up, guys, hold up. It's a little stuck on top. But we just, you know what it is. I didn't shake it good enough. Oh, it's a creamy consistency también, but a bit thicker. The smokiness, out of this world. The garlic, the onion, you taste that tomato paste, so it gives you more like a salsa taste, and the consistency, just wow, like beyond delicious. All day, I'm telling you guys, like his hot sauces is something that you can be having with anything and everything. And it does have some spice, but it's not like extremely spicy. Way spicier than the other one though. I put this one more like at a 3.5, you know what I'm saying? Out of 5 flames. Yeah, because I'm getting that tingliness, like, it's burning. It's burning. Maybe because I'm doing so much también, but it's almost like you don't want to stop. Oh my goodness, have you guys tried Dylan Sauce hot sauces? Oh my goodness, guys. If you guys have tried them, which one is your favorite? He has so many different hot sauces, and wow. It's almost hard to pick a favorite, although I gotta say, this one is so good. The creaminess, like, oh my goodness, the creaminess is beyond good. Definitely gonna go do a hot sauce shot right now, guys. So hold up, guys, hold up. Let me go get a shot glass, because I'm telling you, it's It's really, really good. It's so good. So spin it a little bit. I gotta go find it. I gotta go find out. She's gonna talk back. Hold up, guys, hold up. Let me take one real quick. I have one here. Oh, that one's too big. That one's, oh, this one's perfect. Perfect. Got it, guys. Got it. All right, guys. Oh, let's go ahead and pour this baby in here. Y vamos a probarlo. Okay. So good, guys. You know what? I've been told that it's like a smoothie, but a spicy smoothie, and it actually is. The pineapple, the peaches in here, guys, the apricot. Oh my goodness. Hold up, because it's creamy. Como que no me lo puedo tomar toda, pero pero ahí vamos. Oh my goodness, guys. So good. So freaking delicious. Now, I cannot let this go to waste, guys, because it still has some in there. Like what? I know, ya no sale. So that's why my finger comes in handy. Really, really good, guys. Hope you guys have a super amazing day, a great weekend. I hope I do too. I still don't have plans, guys. I'm telling you guys, I don't have plans. Pero a ver qué voy a hacer. You never know. That's an awesome thing, though. I'm always a last minute type of person, you know? I go places last minute también. Which sometimes it sucks because I can't find like a good place to stay. As long as I'm there, that's all that matters. All right, guys. Have an epically amazing weekend. Bye. Thanks for watching. You guys are so freaking awesome. And Villain Sauce, you guys are just so amazing for creating all of this stuff. Thanks a million for sending it to me. Have a great day. Bye.